Think of most sci-fi movies of the past decade, they are becoming reality. The line between human and machine is blurring with each passing day, and the key secret to this transformation is machine learning or ML. ML is the science of making computers learn and make decisions like human beings. Think of daily life use cases, seeing freakingly close recommendations, Google showing weather predictions, voice assistants like Alexa and Siri understanding your voice precisely, and lots more. They are all made possible by the magic called ML. 10 years back some people missed to learn programming and they regret now. Learn ML now, or you'll regret 10 years later, watching how others grow in their career. We teach with multiple ML problems with practical hands-on. That too, with no prerequisite. Enroll now at tutorage.com/ml.